Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about data modeling, star schema and snowflake schema in Power BI. If you can see in my screen, there are 7 files overall. 3 this side and one main file. This is called as our facts table and these are called our dimension tables. This is same for all the both the schemas, that is star schema and snowflake schema. First I'll be telling the star schema, how it works, and later I'll be telling the snowflake schema within the 7 files itself. Anyways, let us start our topic. Now, this is our fact table as I told you. So it has got all the numbers. If I can show you one of the table, that is our fact table. See here, if you can see, you have customer key, you have product key, you have region key, you have date key, sales and quantity. And I'll show you another file which has got similar data. See here you have only region key and country. So why this is region key and country? Because this is a dimension table. Dimension table is mostly descriptive and fact table, this one is mostly the numerical part. So that is how the fact table and dimension table will be distinguished. Now if you can see, for every schema, fact table is always main table. Okay, that is our numerical data. So every schema you should have a fact table identified and rest all will be your dimension tables. So now we have our fact table and rest of all our dimension tables. Now let us connect what all data fields will be connecting to our fact table from the dimension table. Simply here, if you can see, data key is connecting to data key. See, the connection is made. Yes, save and see the connection is made. Customer key is matching to customer key of the fact table. Yes, it is matching. And now product key is matching to the product key of the fact table. Yes, this one is also matching. And let us see, country is matching to your region key. Sorry, region key is matching to your region key here. Yes, yes, even this one is getting matched. So yeah, if you can see here, all these things are getting matched. So one of our schema is done. This is our star schema. Forget about these two fields. Okay, these two fields are not, nothing is matching here. So country is not matching with our fact table. Customer name is not matching to our fact table. See, there is no customer name in our fact table in this dimension table, and there is no country in our fact table. So these two files are not getting matched. Rest of 4 files have been matched. So this is what is typically called as star schema, where you can directly connect all these things to your fact table. All the dimension things can be directly connected to your fact table. So this is what is called as primary key here, and this is what is called as foreign key here, which I have already told you in the earlier videos. Now, so yeah, we are done with snowflake schema. Sorry, we are done with star schema here. Now we will be looking at snowflake schema, how it works. Okay, in a simple way, snowflake schema, if you can see, there is no direct connection country to the fact table here. Okay, the main table, there is nothing we can connect to country here. But see, the country we can connect to any other dimension table. Let us check. You have country here? No. You have country here? No. You have a country in this customer table? No. You have a country here in the customer next order? No. Whereas you are in region table, yes, you have a country. So simply connect this to your country. Yes, it is connected. Okay, done. And now customer name, let us see customer name. Do you have here? No, you have no customer name here. Customer name is not available here. Customer name is not available here. Customer name is not available here. But see, in customer table, you have customer name. So here the customer name is very much available in customer table and customer next order. So let us connect this customer table. Sorry, let us connect this customer name to this customer name. And yes, there is a connection is made. That's it. So this is what exactly is our snowflake schema. So when you don't have a direct connection to your fact table, you will be connecting your dimension table to the other dimension table so that it will be indirectly connected. It is bypassed. This is called in Power BI language as normalization. So we will be connecting this file to the dimension table, and this dimension table is connected to this table. And this is how a simple Snowflake schema is formed. When you don't have a direct connection to your fact table, you will be bypassing it through another dimension table. So this is how Snowflake schema will be working. So we have seen how star schema and Snowflake schema will be working. Now let us check whether this connection is making a sensible uh, visualization or not. Let us take a bar chart. Let us check with the Snowflake schema. In the sales table, I'll be taking, let me take the, yes, let me take the quantity here, and from the table, new order quantity. So since this is new order quantity, since this is Snowflake schema, let us check with the Snowflake schema and see. Yes, it is making absolute a sensible, most sensible visualization. So how I can say this is the most sensible visualization? You have all the countries and perfect quantities here. Okay. If I go to this model view, and if I simply take out a relationship between these two things. Okay. So here I am taking the quantity from fact table in the visualization, and I have taken the country from the new order quantity. If I simply take out this relationship between these two dimension tables, and now let us see how. See, the visualization is completely showing 15K. So this is a big time error. When you are getting a visualization, a same data labels for all the fields, this is a big time blunder. See, if I try and make a connection between these two things again, and see how the visualization will completely change. Now the relationship is made, and see the visualization is making an absolute sense. So this is how star schema and Snowflake schema will be working in Power BI. If you want this files for practice purpose, I'll keep my email ID in the comment box. Please pin hi to my email ID. I'll be definitely sending this all files to your email address immediately for practice purpose. Hope this video is very useful for you people. Let us meet in the next video. Thank you so much.